If you're a Bitcoin maxi, you're not going to like what I have to say. So let me apologize, and I suggest you just skip this video. Because I used to be like you. I used to be that crypto guy. In fact, I built a heck of a following on TikTok, being that we buy, we hold, we get rich together guy. And I absolutely believed it at the time. And I've been investing, or had been investing, in crypto for years and years and years. And we watched it pump to the 60,000s Bitcoin. But times change, and sometimes when things change, you have to change with them. So successful businessmen and women, we adapt, we shift, we overcome. And you can't get stuck in the past. So I'm sorry to all you crypto maxis, but crypto's not our future. Will crypto have a place in the world forever? Probably. But here's what's changed. The world. Governments have recognized the threat crypto is to their currencies. Untraceable, untrackable. The governments will never let crypto happen the way we all expected it to. And the increased competition, too many coins, too many tokens. That's a problem too. And the fraud in crypto. And although most quality crypto can't be hacked, crypto gets hacked. It's not mainstream. It never will be mainstream. Is it quick? Is it efficient? Maybe. It's quick. Is it efficient? I don't know. It's still costly to send funds with crypto. So I used to be that guy. I was a Bitcoin maxi. I was that guy that thought Bitcoin would surely go to $100,000 by last December. I was wrong. I was that guy that thought it's only a matter of time. Bitcoin 500K, Bitcoin a million. I don't think that's going to happen anymore. I don't think the world will let it happen. I don't regret all the buying and all the selling. I made a lot of money in crypto, and I lost a lot of money when when Bitcoin went from the mid-60s all the way back down. But months ago, and I'm recording this in September 2022, and on TikTok, I told everybody I was selling all my Bitcoin in the mid-25,000s. It turns out that was a pretty smart move so far. Will Bitcoin ever go back up over 25,000? For sure. How long will it take? Nobody knows. Here's why I don't regret getting into crypto. Crypto led me to being dedicated to learning how to trade, to learning how to chart, to figure out buy and sell signals. And as crypto began to fail me, fail us, fail the world, well, I learned to adapt. I pivoted into the stock market. And today we're killing it in the stock market every day. This isn't a sales pitch. You already know what we do in the stock market. What I'm saying is, it's time to get out of crypto. It's time to wake up. If you're holding your crypto like so many of my friends because, oh, I'm underwater, I just need it to go back up to break even, then I'll get out. Here's the critical mistake you're making. How long are you going to wait? You know, a loss is a loss. If your Bitcoin went down, if any crypto you bought went down, your Shiba, oh my God, your Dogecoin, your Ethereum, if you bought it way up high once upon a time and it's down, you've already lost that money. It's gone. So why throw good money after bad? And why wait forever? You can cash out now, sell your crypto. In fact, you might have a tax benefit in taking the loss this year. And then learn how to trade in the stock market. Because my friend, the stock market, it's been around forever. And the stock market is the place that's reliable, that's regulated, and that won't go away and won't be banned by governments. We make a killing in the stock market every day, every week, every month. And if you truly want to change your life and get rich, whether it's with me or anybody else, stop. Stop it. Stop thinking crypto will make you rich. It won't. Not soon, anyway. But the stock market, if you learn how to trade it, can change your life right away. I hope you follow me. Check out our Discord. Make sure you smash that like button. Follow me here on YouTube. I'm not a hater, and I'll get hate for this video, but the crypto ship, it sailed. It was a gold rush. The gold rush is over. So take the skills, take the information, take the wins, the losses, take the experience you gained from crypto, and realize you have many more opportunities to do it right, to do it big, and to not get burned if you just learn how to trade the stock market. Love you.